I'm going to simply take one element of the new ultraviolet, you can close your eyes, and I'm going to teach this client about a gel formula liner. And the gel formula liner not only can be liner, but it also can be blended into a beautiful light soft shadow. And what is a woman like this wanting to do? Quick, easy, and transformational, all right? Look up for me. And I'm just putting it over what she has, and it's going to make your beautiful green eyes even more green, which is a beautiful shade range on her. Have you ever worn violets?
Yes.
And then we're gonna go ahead and we're going to use our Purple Night. Even though Purple Night does have a little bit of luminescence, we are going to concentrate it towards the back end of her eyelid rather than in the lid that might be a little bit more weighted. I'm going to take both of our lipsticks, so I'm using the Grape Catch and the Violet, and I'm going to mix these together so they're not too crazy bright or too modern. And it's going to be the perfect shade of light and dark. So this is going to be your true violet, and boy, can she pull this off. Now with liquid lips, what I do is I always do the bottom of the lip, or sometimes I just do the center. And I would be using a very large brush if I wasn't using a doe tip. It's a cool modern look on you. The matte is great because again, it really is reminiscent of what was happening in the day. And now when we add this, look at that. That changes it completely and it makes it a different kind of modern. It brings a sweetness and a light to it as well. And I think you're more comfortable with that as far as having a little bit more hydration on your lips.